up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you're new to the channel, to our family, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, what's happening? What's up? And y'all, I know I told y'all that I was not buying any more purses, but y'all, it's some fire that's coming out lately. I'm just like, I have to be parts. Now, I'm not indulging in everything, but I have purchased some purses, so just be on the lookout for some videos in the future. And y'all know AliExpress, I'm still waiting on some purses, but when I get them, y'all will get them. So y'all, without further ado, y'all, Coach been kind of, doing a thing. Like, I don't know, it's like sometimes you forget about those type of companies. It's just like they're oldie but goodies. Like, you remember them, but you never think. Like, lately, I'm just like stalking their page because I'm just like, okay, they had the little heart bag for Valentine's Day, but y'all, that was too much money. But y'all, I purchased a purse from Coach. It's not a dupe. It's not a replica. It's an authentic Coach purse. And I got the box right here. And y'all, when they sent me the box is a little rinky-dink. But let me try to. I got it right here. So y'all, let me. Hold on, let me get the scissors. So yeah, y'all, Coach, like, they're really, got a little. I'm sorry, I'm shaking the table. They got a lot of going on. Y'all, hold on, let me open this down here. And then I'll do it. And here it goes. Right here. So y'all, this is so cute. Hold on, let me get a little paper to hang out. So y'all, this is called the Signature Pennie. It's in khaki and redwood. And y'all, this bag was $225. Now I know somebody might be like, "Are you serious on a Coach bag?" But do you want to know the gag part about it? I used Klarna. I did. I said it. And did. What? So for those of you who don't know about Klarna, it's kind of like an afterpay situation. They split it up in 4 payments, and could I have paid it in full? Yeah, but did I want to? No. So 4 payments, and you get your purchase as soon as you pay the down payment, and then they spread out the other 3. So you pay them like every 2 weeks. No shame in my game. We're back to what we're looking at right now. But yeah, I know I'm not the only one that's using Afterpay and Klarna. Comment in the comments down below if you use them. So we're just going to look at this beauty right here. This is so pretty, and I love, like, and it's crazy, y'all, because I've been on YouTube and people are saying they're trying to get away from like the monogram print of, like, Louis, Coach, Fendi. Who else do the can't think right now, but the other different companies that do the print. Y'all, I love print. Some people say it come off as tacky, childish, me. Call me all of that. I love a good old print, whether it's LV, Coach, Fendi. I just love print. Like, I don't like plain stuff. I like to stand out. I like bright colors, different type of, stuff like this. So this is me. So I'm just like, I love it. But y'all, this is so cute. It's like, it's like a large bag. Like, I would say this is a large bag compared to most of the bags I carry. Yeah, they didn't. Okay, Coach. So let's get into it. So it gives you like different type of. Oh, okay. All right. So this is the color of the strap. This is kind of like, even though it says it's redwood, well, yeah, it's like a redwood, kind of like a reddish brown. It's so cute. So you can actually wear this. Let me connect this. You can wear it as I don't know, depending on your size, you could probably wear this as a crossbody. I'm very top heavy, so a lot of times, unless it's like a fanny pack, I don't wear stuff, you know, across, because it kind of, you know, accentuate my, you know, situations going on right here. So you can wear this as like a crossbody. Me, I'll probably just wear it as just, you know, a regular schmegler type of purse, or you could like wear it like this. So that's cute. Y'all, this is so cute. So it has the monogram on the front, on the sides partially, and it has these pockets on both sides, and they're functional pockets. So you can place stuff inside the pocket, inside the pocket right here, and also in here. In the back part, you have a pocket. Hold on, y'all, 'cause I ain't trying to break a nail now. Yeah, it's pretty tight depending on, like, if you're gonna fill your bag up, but if it's not filled up, then you should have access to that. It's kind of hard for me to do stuff with long nails, y'all. Y'all know the struggle. So let's look inside. Oh, they filled this thing up with a lot of tissue paper. A lot of tissue. But I guess I'm not complaining. Like, if you're spending, you know, I don't care if I'm spending $50. It's all about presentation. Because if the presentation is good, it's going to make me want to come back. I'll be a regular customer, and you'll get my business. And I won't mind spending a pretty penny or, you know, or whatnot. So, yeah, it came in good condition. Yes, it's new. I'm not sure. New Coach? I'm not sure. I think Coach do sell pre-loved stuff, but this is new. So, you know, it was handled with tender love and care. Because, you know, sometimes, you know, even when it's being handled by the postal service, not trying to be a Debbie Downer, but sometimes packages, they get creased, they just get kicked around, and, you know, it's just hard to have something like this be handled so delicately. So thanks, Coach, for actually, you know, packaging it up and stuffing it so that it doesn't have any creases in it, that it's remaining its shape. Like, this purse is shit. So in the inside, as you can see, you get a lot of room. You get a pocket right there. Let's see. And the pocket's pretty deep. And in this pocket, it's one of those things that, like, you try to go out the store, like, one of those things. I don't know, I forgot what the bag's called. Then it has wear it, love it, pass it on. Look after your Coach product today and tomorrow with our unique Coach Cares services. So it's just like a little scan to find out more. So I guess it's like you gotta scan it with your phone to see like how to handle, and probably, you know, different ways to clean it and properly keep it in its, you know, oh my gosh, this is good condition, y'all. So freaking cute. The bottom part, there's no feet, but, you know, it's still cute. And I like how it matches, like everything is matching. Wow, this once again, I would show you the address on it, sorry y'all. But yeah, it's the signature Pennie khaki and redwood purse, and this is so cute. I'm not gonna take this part off yet because I'm not gonna wear it yet, but y'all, this is cute. I'll definitely link it down below if they still have it, because, you know, sometimes they have stuff, sometimes they don't, but definitely be on the lookout. Look down below at my my description section, and I'll definitely link it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.